Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, September 5th, employment numbers. But first, let's talk about yesterday. Open higher surge did not make new highs in the futures for the S&P anyways, and then backed off. 1997 and 3/4 was a close, down 1 point. The high was 2010. The high the day previous was 2011. So it did back off. The Dow futures ended up being up 6. The leader on the day, 17,079. The Nasdaq down 2.5 at 4069 1/4. The big mover was the dollar. The dollar was up 95 points at 83.83, pushing the euro currency below the 130 level, 129.38, down 208 with whatever's happening with the ECB and the Bank of England. Bonds were down 24 ticks at 138.06. Crude oil was off $1.10 at 94.45 with that surge in the dollar. And gold was minus $4 at 1266.5, already suffered its own fate here recently. So where do the markets stand here on this Friday morning with the employment numbers that came in less than expected? Well, the futures, which were down before the numbers, have bounced back. We're down 2 in the E-mini S&P at 1996, not off that much. Dow futures down 21, 17,058. And the Nasdaq's actually positive 6 right now at 4075. The dollar's pulling back a couple of ticks, 83.77. The euro's up 20 at 129.58. Looking at the bond market, we're firming a little, up 13, 138.19 is where we stand. A reminder, the yield right now for the 30 years at 3.19%, and for the 10-year notes at 2.41%. Crude oil steady, up a nickel at 94.40, and gold's up $2 at 1268.5. So we'll wrap up the current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open after waiting for the employment data that came in weaker than expected. The futures markets right now are not that weak. We're down 2 in the E-mini S&P and down 21 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Monday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.